Well, good morning and welcome back to Good Morning Arizona. I am joined by Jim here. He is the NARPRO car maintenance expert.
This is a little battery backup. This is one of my favorite new little car toys because you can charge your cell phone with it, and then in a pinch, you can actually plug this in and jumpstart your car with it.
I can't believe this.
Hi, I'm Jim Garnand, president of NARPRO. NARPRO is an association of locally owned independent auto repair shops. We strive to deliver trustworthy and competent auto repair to our clients, as well as provide service and compassion to our community.
It's Brad Slagle's job to help customers prevent a tire blowout.
One thing that is crucial is the age of the tire. Out here with the heat, tires usually last about 5 or 6 years.
The 4 numbers represent the week and year it was made.
It means the 47th week of 2018.
Slagle also stresses checking your tire pressure and your tread.
Howard is here with Community Tire Pros. Good to see you. You're looking good.
Thank you.
Tell us what we need to do for our cars.
Well, first of all, pull off the side of the road if you get caught in a dust storm. Lights off, foot off the brake.
Okay.
And if you got a newer car, turn the ignition off because will be ignition turns the lights on.
Oh, I see.
So you have to actually turn the ignition
Well, we're
on.
doing that so someone doesn't ram into the back of us thinking that we're still driving.
They're going to start following the lights.
Yeah.
He's built a reliable, trustworthy shop that keeps loyal clients like Aaron Alvarez coming back.
You won't have that worry, with getting ripped off. Dave's shop is honest. They're always going to tell you, what needs to be fixed right away and what you can wait on and, how much it's going to cost.
Customers feel more, and everybody does, feels more comfortable when you know the process, you know what they're doing and why they're doing it. So we always want to make sure that we explain it to them in a way that they understand it and show them what we're doing. We always try to make sure that we do everything in our power to make sure that that car is safe when it leaves our shop and that we take care of their car for them because it's a big investment.
And now a big award for a guy who's been protecting people's investments for 44 years, all while teaching his customers an important life lesson. Never let obstacles wreck your dreams.
And of course, NARPRO, any of the shops, qualified technicians, they'll do a free brake inspection and tell you what you need or a free second opinion.
So this is the month. Get your brakes checked.
This is the month.
You can do it for free because like Howard mentioned, you can potentially have to spend a lot of money if you don't.
Absolutely.